Hello, my friends. Welcome back. As we have already seen how to use properties inside a class, it's time to see methods in ES 2015 classes. So in ES 2015, we have instance method and static method. And it's time to see both of these methods in detail. So let's begin with instance method first. When we are talking about instance method, so at that time, we need some method associated with our class, and those methods we want to access using our object or the instance of our class. So at that time, instance method is declared. How we can declare it? Let's see. So whenever we want to declare instance method, we will simply create a method, and inside that whatever operation we want to perform, we will write that. And to access this method, we will simply first of all instantiate our class. So here we have instantiated our class using let first student is equal to new student, and there we are passing two parameters, Khushbu and Chaurasya, where Khushbu is the first name, Chaurasya is the last name. After that we want first student dot full name. That means we want to access this full name, and which will return us full name of our student. So let's see this thing in our VS Code. Here we have already created our student class, and inside that we will create instance method. That method name will be full name. Inside this full name we will return full name of the student. So we will simply write full name, then colon, using dollar, inside curly braces we will write this dot first name, then again dollar, and inside curly braces this dot last name. Once our method is ready, we need to access this method. So I will firstly comment these two console log statement just to make our code more clear. Then we will write first student dot full name, and this will return us the full name of the student. And to print this thing, I will simply do console.log. Once we are done with this, we will be able to see the output in our window. So here it is showing full name Khushbu Chaurasya. So in this way, we have fully seen what is instance method. Whenever any method we want to access using object of our class, we are creating instance method. Once we are done with instance method, we are good enough to see our static method. So firstly, what is static method? When we need some methods which can be accessed directly using class name, not necessarily to use instance of that class or the object. At that time, we are using static method. So whenever we are declaring static method, we are simply writing static keyword before the name of our method. Here is an example. We are writing add name as a static method. So before the name of the method, we are writing static keyword. And inside this method, we are executing our task. And to access this method, as this is the static method, we are directly writing name of our class, that is student, and then dot name of our method with parameter whatever it is expected. So let's see this thing in our VS Code. So here I will declare our static method, that is add num. So add num, it will take two parameter or three as you want. Then we will simply return a plus b. Then we will comment this statement first, our instance method. After that we will call our static method using name of the class student dot add num, and there we will pass two parameters 4 and 5. So answer should be 9. And to print this answer, we will wrap up our thing inside console.log statement. Once we are done with this, we are able to see 9 as an output. And for calling this method, we are directly using name of our class, not the instance of our class. So once we are done with this, we have covered all these methods inside ES 2015 classes. And with this, we will sum up this video tutorial. And my friends, please follow my complete playlist to have complete understanding about data structure and algorithms. Let's meet in our next video tutorial with linked list. Thank you very much for now.